Okay. Hello everyone. Myself Shashi from India.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Shashiji is from India. She is a graduate NTT DCA diploma in fashion and textile designer, and she's a keen lover of nature. She's a trekker. She's interested in nature photography. She's fond of gardening, yoga, Ayurveda. She has edited books, published stories, and she's international web portals, magazines she has edited. So the list actually goes on and on. And um, she can she has written many poems and a content writer at tripwani.com blog, and she is a volunteer at Shashwat Jigyasa, a NGO which caters to the needs of children with special needs. So
Thank you,
today
Gayatri.
we have Shashi ji.
And
Will be
so
sharing.
example of insects
We request
and
everyone to keep
ants
yourself on mute.
and
Gayatri ji, please you don't go mute. I need your help
Sure, sure,
in
sure,
in
sure,
between.
sure, sure.
Voice is coming or not coming. I'm audible
I
or
will
not.
surely tell. I will surely tell.
Uh-huh.
Today, Shashi ji will be teaching us how to do a beautiful art in from using ceramic. So, where you get these raw materials in Oman, I will be sharing it after Shashi ji's after the session. I will share the place where you can get raw materials in Oman. And kindly keep yourself on mute. And then, if you have any questions, you can ask at the end of the session, because the video will be continuous, so that when we upload it will be easy for you to follow also. So with this, over to you, Shashi ji. You can start.
Thank you, Gayatri ji. Now I'm going to start my ceramic work. To do ceramic work, we need few things like ceramic powder and adhesive, any company of adhesive, Fevicol type, not glue. So we make dough with the help of ceramic and adhesive. I want to show a small video how to make dough. So please allow me.
One second. I think you can share now.
Okay. Everyone can see
No,
my screen is not visible.
no, it is not visible.
How? It is not visible.
Yes, now it is loading. Yes.
Have a look on few slides. This is ceramic work. We can do ceramic work on earthen pots, wooden surface, canvas, canvas frames, rough iron pipes, mural on walls, even your this mirror, frame of the mirror. So creativity is yours. Type of designs, for how long you can keep mixture. This is very important. Everyone used to ask me. You can keep your dough even for 1 year, but you have to keep this dough in a wet cloth in your deep freezer, not freezer. Before making any design, just take out it 2-3 hours before, and let it be come in room temperature. Or this design, this work don't need sun or fan. It dries very fast. The main ingredients are ceramic and adhesive. things needed: pot or any surface you want to make design, then colors for multi surface and different number of brushes according your design. Before, for big pot we don't use multi surface paints, we use enamel colors. Enamel colors are durable, cheap, and easily available. How to make process? Process is select a design, prepare your dough, paste your art on desired medium with the help of adhesive. But before making design, there are many mediums or many ways to paste your design. Like you can cut. I will show you how to cut a ceramic surface. By cutting, you can make your design. By shaping from your hand, you can make your design, or by rolling, or by any other three kind of designs I will show you. Let it dry for a day and paint your design according your choices. If you are making flower, you want to give shade, just surface color, design color. It depends on your choice. Different number of brushes naturally. These are few decorative pieces which I had made. This is a big earthen pot. I have made these grapes on it. This is very big Ganesha. I have used this mirror work and ceramic work, and this is mold. This is a scenery made by my kid. So children also can make very nicely this ceramic. Ceramic is not harmful for your skin or that, but you can't wear gloves, because wearing gloves, yeah, is little bit difficult to roll your design and all. So how to make dough?
Beautiful, dear.
Hmm. Gayatri ji, from where I can stop voice of video.
You have to do that before sharing.
Before this audio automatically multiple folder this.
No, no. When you press the share button, so
Uh-huh.
you will have to down optimize uh, to computer audio. So if you click that, then the voice will come. You have to stop now. Stop sharing.
Okay, never mind. This is very small. So
Okay.
nothing to show much. See, this is adhesive. Take little adhesive according to your ceramic powder and make a dough, not very hard and not very watery, or like just we make chapati dough, or a little harder than chapati.
So when you press
Excuse me.
share button, you have two icons down.
We'll see. We'll see. Now I'm going to start my designs.
Just 1 minute. Ceramic powder means is it plaster of Paris or
No,
white cement?
No, not white cement, not plaster of Paris. This is ceramic powder. Very
Miss
different.
Miss Vaishali, I will tell you where you get it in Oman.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
thank you, thank you.
See, I have made this dough in the morning. Not very tough or not very watery. And I kept in a wet cloth, because keeping in wet cloth is very important. Or when you make design, take little amount of ceramic dough, make design, and keep inside the wet cloth. I have taken this earthen pot. Earthen pot, I'm going to make design on this. Take little dough, And always remember, whatever you make, petals, leaves, wall, whatever design, it should be not cracked from anywhere. Make it smooth. So I am making the center part of a flower. Just I made this one. Now I'm pressing it. After pressing, I'm just rolling. After rolling, see, we will get two center part of the flower. So cut between in from सेम डिजाइन वी गॉट. गायत्री जी ये अच्छे से दिख रहा है? So I prepared this center part of flower. Now I will make petals. There are two methods of making petals. One, you just roll your peda with the help of rolling pin or shape with fingers. I am going to shape with fingers.
Shashiji, I think little lighting is more.
Little
Light is more on your side.
light is more.
Uh,
Okay. But
I think
can't
from
do-
the glass it is reflecting, if I'm right. पीछे तो है ना, उधर से रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है.
Any difference? No.
No, no.
अच्छा.
Because what happens when you're taking the clay in your hand, it's little bit glaring.
Understood.
Rashid, if you
Actually-
can move a bit to your left, it will be okay. Maybe if you move, yes.
Actually, painting is going on inside.
Oh,
Now
okay,
it is
okay. I think
Now
now
it
it is fine.
Okay.
I hope it is fine. One of you can unmute and say.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it's
looks
good.
to be okay.
Fine.
Little glaring, it looks to be okay.
Thank you.
Thanks to you. Now making petals and shaping with the help of finger. Just taking bigger one, big flower. So start shaping from here. It's very easy to shape actually. Very flexible. I will make 5 petals at least. You can make 6, 7. And you can't make petals in advance. It gets dried, so you can't paste according your design. So it don't look beautiful. You have to make quickly and paste it. Then your design will look better. It become hard. You can't stick. Few things you can make in advance, like many designs are there. I'll show you. Like I have made these 5 petals. Let me show you the how to make flower. I will take
The view is
Center.
not there. Can you little bit bend the screen, Shashiji? We are not able to see what you are doing.
Okay. Okay. Now
Yes.
Yep.
it's okay.
Yeah, perfect, perfect.
I can do like this also.
Yeah, now we can see.
That's why I told you, please don't go mute. See, on the center part of flower, I just pasted this one. Use good quality of Fevicol. To making your dough, you can use little cheaper, but for pasting, use only good, because this is the life of a ceramic design. Roughly, I made a flower. It look beautiful if you point it here and paste it like this. Flatly, don't paste flatly. Don't use ample amount of Fevicol. And please, after making design, don't disturb your pot. I'm making a string. Now leaves. For leaves, it is important to give impression. So like leaves, give them impression with the paper cut. Hope it is looking like leaf. Again, paste it like a artistically. You can trace your design on your pot, on your medium, or according that when we make murals and all, we just trace our design. This is my design. I made a small one also. The small one is very simple. Just take, you can make 5, 7, 9. Just to make these petals, just roll them and little bit longer and give impression in between like कौड़ी. गायत्री जी क्या कहते हैं इसको? This is called that कौड़ी type.
वो सीड जैसा ना? It's like a
seed
seed.
like.
Seed, na?
Exactly. So seed like. This flower is made from the seed design. So when you color it with, suppose you are coloring it with the pink color and this one be red. It look nice. Design always depends on your imagination. Just I told you that you can't make designs in advance, but these kind of small things, how I can show you. Is it visible? Just like button. I have made some button. I'm making here. Make a small ball and press with the refill. It will look this kind of impression.
नेटवर्क आ रहा है क्या? नेटवर्क ही तो नहीं ऐसा है कि नेटवर्क ही ना आ रहा हो.
Impression. So I have made so many buttons here. You can paste your buttons to fill this pot in designs. Can you see how I am filling this design? Making triangle. Or you can fill here also. These all. गायत्री जी दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, yes, we can see. Yes.
We can fill also, or we can make in our own design, round shape, half circle, or V shape, or this triangle, whatever it is. After making design on your pot, we have two types of designs. First, we paint our medium or paint our earthen pot. After that, we make our design, or we make design directly on earthen pot, or after that we try to paint. When you paint this one, we can use only one color of paint. If we make whole design and we try to paint that, you have to use only one color. Or if you paint your surface before, then you make your design, then you can use different colors to color your flower, leaves, designs, and etc. I have made in one color. This one. This one only one color. First, I made the whole design. After that, I painted with black and did dusting. So now I am going to show you how to dust. Dust powder is, you can get dust powder. This is enamel paint, which we use for our iron, our wood. So this is enamel paint. These, these are dusting mediums like copper, golden, silver, like that. You can use your according your choice. And one thing I forgot to tell you, you can get this ready-made also. Ready-made ceramic um, dough. But this is very small. Even means ki for making this flour, you have to take 2 to 3. This is 20 rupee in India. I don't know where. Uh, but he told me that in major amount we don't supply this one. Only this is small one is. If you are making little work, if you don't want to go for this ceramic and glue making dough, so you can use this one.
What is that,
Available
Shashiji? What is that in the packet?
in the packet, that ceramic dough.
Oh, okay,
Ceramic,
ceramic dough. Okay, fine.
ceramic dough.
Okay.
If you like, actually I bought for this one, this pot.
Ah.
I want to make it aquarium types, like fish, some weeds and water and like that. No? So for that, this is fine and very much, very less in amount, and cost is 20 rupees. For small work, for little work, you can use this one.
Okay.
So let me share how to dust. One again, I want to, before sharing, I want,
Before sharing, you have to, once you press the share button, there will be
uh-huh,
2 icons down in your left side.
um, share screen.
Down, down, down.
Share computer.
Sound.
So that is not ticked, and even
You
this
have to
voice is.
tick both. Yeah, you have to tick both if you want the voice also to come.
There is only one option: share computer sound. So
Yes.
this time I ticked.
Okay.
What is this? Yeah. My screen is visible
Not it.
now. One of the method. Now, madam.
No.
Oh, how?
You have to share. You have to click that file and then share.
Yes, I'm doing same. Dusty. Now, one of the method. No painting.
No, audio came, but not the video.
I can see. And why not you people share screen? Hmm. Hmm. Now, one of the method.
No, only audio.
Here I can see.
Huh?
Here I can see here.
You can
You
see
can see?
video.
Yeah, I can see.
No, she's sharing some screen. She's sharing some video. Can you see?
Ah, the video. Yeah, no, have only her face. I see.
Yes. Yeah. She's trying to share one video, which she's not able to share.
Okay. Not playing, not showing.
Ah.
Now, one of the battery man now.
No.
No.
Are you selecting the
Nothing.
window that you want to show? After clicking tick, are you selecting the window?
Yes, I'm selecting.
Actually, only that audio is playing.
Audio is coming in. Ashchर्य.
Sorry, okay.
Yes, now it is coming.
Yes.
One of the method. I will just forward the video.
No,
And
now we can
activate.
see. Now we can see both audio and video.
Of painting ceramic is
Yeah, I can.
just paint it black. All the flower patterns,
Please have patience to see this video and afterward I will explain.
Okay.
all the leaves along pot, paint it black. See, वीडियो बड़ा हो जाएगा इसलिए मैंने जो है इतना पेंट कर लिया है और आपको दिखाने के लिए छोड़ा है थोड़ा सा. ये देखिए, ये नीचे ये है ना, ये जो हमने लगाए हैं ये वाइट सिरेमिक है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू पेंट इट ऑल नाइसली. ब्रश देखिए, ब्रश अंदर तक जाना चाहिए. अर्दन पॉट शुड बी कवर्ड. Earthen pot should be covered with black paint, black enamel paint. This is not multi-surface. This is enamel paint जो हम अपने घर के आयरन में या खिड़की दरवाजों में उसमें लगाते हैं. That iron paint. So just for demo, I am showing you this part. Only one part of pot. Hope leaves, flower, a big flower, flower petals, leaves, these all are visible to you. After painting, still when the paint is wet, do one more thing. First of all, put off your fan. Take a piece of paper. Here is some glaze powder. Keep your glaze powder in a paper of piece. If you have straw, it's okay. If you don't have, use this pen. There is no refill, there is no cap, and I will blow from here. See, now I'm going to highlight my flower. And please don't inhale nicely. Only slowly you exhale on this powder through your empty pen. Can you see? Now visible? It's your choice. You can use different kind of powders like golden for flower, silver for your leaves. So here is another small flower. Can you see? camera is not showing it very much highlighted, but this is highlighted already. And to focus on your flower or petal or like that, just fold your paper. Can you see? See, this flower is highlighted. This flower is highlighted. One of the method of painting ceramic is just paint it black. All the flower
Shashiji,
petals.
again it is repeating.
I have to stop sharing also and putting off from down also.
Okay. Shashiji, 1 second. I have a small request to audience. Please don't scribble on the screen. It is disturbing others. It is disturbing the recording also. Don't scribble on the screen. It is a humble request.
Last time someone told me you are not visible on this highlighting area. So how you did? I just took a paper. Paper means how much paper you can handle. Take a small piece of paper and put your powder in it. Empty one pen. Focus on your paper and on your design and blow from here. But don't inhale the this other powder will go in your throat. So just this is the method to highlight your design. Now I am going to make a small. Again, I have to share something. This one, dusting butterfly. Let us. आइए हम डेकोरेशन के लिए बटर. गायत्री मैम दिख रहा है?
No, again audio only is coming.
क्या है ये क्या है? शेयर स्क्रीन. ओके, मैं शेयर कंप्यूटर को बंद कर रही हूँ, उसको नीचे कर रही हूँ. अब स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
No. No.
Yes, خلاص سير.
Chitanshi is very happy.
أنا بعلمك هذا.
Now it is visible.
Let us make a butterfly.
आइए हम
This is in Hindi. Actually,
डेकोरेशन करना सीखते हैं.
take a small amount of dough. Make a roti. In between two polythene, hard polythene. Just we make papad. Otherwise, it will stick in your rolling pin and in your hand also. So it will not smoothen.
तितली मैंने पापड़ बनाते हैं, कटर से भी काटते हैं, लेकिन केमिक पॉट के लिए मैंने
I just rolled a puri and took this is paper cutter. We can work from this one also. Otherwise, wooden paper cutter, wooden ceramic cutter. So I use that. Take water also. Dip your cutter in the water again and again. Otherwise, it will stick on your paper cutter also.
इसी से इसको पापड़ बना लिया. फिर हमें पॉलीथीन हटाकर और मैंने जो पहले से एक हार्ड पेपर पर
Cut your desired design flower. Just I told you before starting this ceramic, you can make designs from so many styles. Like this one was rolling from fingers, and this one is cutting design on paper. Beforehand, cut your design.
बटरफ्लाई काट कर रखी हुई है. मैं उसे यहाँ पर रख लूँगी और इसको हल्का सा पानी में डुबा के और जल्दी जल्दी इसमें निशान बना लूँगी. मार्क्स, impression of butterfly by pressing this. अगर हम इसके साथ इसको करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो ये जो पेपर जो हमने इम्प्रेशन या हमने जो ये बटरफ्लाई काट रखी है वो इसी में चिपक जाएगी. आइए हम we are cutting this ceramic cake. Now take out this butterfly and now see, here we got impression. Now press your instrument nicely. Separate.
Shashi ji, the audio is echoing actually. Maybe you can mute yourself or something.
Yes. No need to see. Everyone can see the impression of the butterfly. Now I'm cutting with the wooden cutter to make it butterfly. Now remove extra ceramic from this butterfly design. Smoothen the edges with the help of your wooden cutter, and don't forget to touch water. Our butterfly is ready. I'm smoothing the edges. It will not look nice if you don't smooth you just cut and paste your butterfly. See. Now remove from the your polythene and let it dry little for 1 minute and paste on your required surface. So I pasted here and made by rolling a little bit this ceramic dough, made the body of a butterfly, and this is the head. That's all. Hope you got idea how to make a butterfly. So I made this butterfly. On this plant, on this pot. This pot is also made of old towel, dipped in cement and dried for 1 week. After that, I painted this pot with the white enamel paint and made this butterflies from ceramic. You can do your whatever you want to do, your creativity. You can paste fish, butterfly, flowers, leaves, whatever you want. So, anything explaining? I made this one. This one is multi-surface color, painted with the white enamel and work with the multi-surface paint. This butterfly is also painted with the multi-surface paint. And don't plant your plant directly in this. Just create another pot and keep. I have made this flower. Can you see the flower? Flower is also made with the help of this cutted petal. Just cut the petal, make 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever you like, and paste this, make this flower. But before, how you will make flower? First of all, the center part of your plant should be made beforehand. Then made a small base also, small base on this base. This base should not be looked between these petals. Make a small base and paste them there and make it. If you want to hang it, just make a hole beforehand. See, I have made this before. This kind of leaf. Bandanwar. You can make bandanwar. This leaf. You can paint this leaf both the sides. You can paint this flower both the sides and make your bandanwar or whatever your creativity said. I have made this wall hanging.
Hello?
So, what? Let us make a nameplate. For making nameplate, you can use this flower here also. Make this flower and use here. It will look beautiful. Or just I told you to make this button with the help of refill. Do you remember making small bowl and pressing with the hollow of this refill? You will get these kind of buttons. Now, how to fill alphabets? Just take dough, make a string. To make a string, you need a smooth and leveled surface. Otherwise, your string will become thin or uneven. K already, Gayatri ji, I think K is ये उल्टा लग रहा होगा ना, reflecting.
No, it's proper.
It's proper. Okay, that is made that way na. So why? I'm just showing how to fill a, how to make a alphabet. Suppose this is Y. I made this string, paste string according. Who is singing very nicely? Very nice voice. Why? So you can fill all the alphabets. I have written here Kiona. So K-E-I-Y-O-N-A. You can write and your name and fill with the help of this string. I have made this one with white. Which we made here, these buttons decorated on the border, and with the help of this string we made our alphabets and these flowers, these petals. Just I told you, roll them and press with the knife, it will look like seeds, so you can use them. When you paste them, press them nicely so they will get stuck tightly. So this is our nameplate. You can decorate your wall, one corner of your house, or wherever your library, wherever you want creativity, you can create there. Gayatri ji, hope I am one scenery made by my kid. This everything is made by ceramic dough only. Everything. So you can make these pebbles. This is the path, pebble, grass, everything. These leaves, flowers. can use ceramic. Is there any doubt?
Just
Any
one.
Yes, ma'am. Any doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask. Yes, ma'am. Miss Vaishali.
Can we make a cone out of this to make some intricate designs?
Yes, you can make coke, you can make cone, and you have to make your. You don't have to make dough. You have to make very watery medium, and you can use glue for that. Actually, that design is actually it needs very command on this cone. That's why I didn't display here. So you can make like mehendi cone, like any decoration we do with the. Um, there are different medium. You can use glue also for that. Half
I'll,
Fevicol, half glue. And please
Glue
don't
means which
don't
glue?
normal glue which you use for your copy
Glue.
and school glue. You
Okay.
can use that one. And don't use water, please. Water always crack your medium. After drying, it can crack. Use glue.
Hello,
when
ma'am.
you put the adhesive, will it not become hard after some time?
Pardon, please.
After the glue, after some time, will it not become hard?
Yes, it will become hard.
How long will it take?
The glue, everything you have to save from open environment. But this Fevicol dough dries very fast. So you take little amount and make your design and keep inside the wet cloth. And this glue one tight. You don't make too much. But if you keep in the how much time a glue take to dry? I think this common sense can help most.
Okay.
Thank
Shashi ji,
you.
there is a question from Ms. Bharti. What kind of paint is used for multicolor painting? Is it enamel painting only?
No, multi-surface paint. I told if you, there are 2-3 mediums of coloring. Means ki if you making this kind of pot, so you are using enamel paint for this. Making designs and painting with the enamel paint. If you are making this design, you just I have used enamel color for background, but multi-surface color for this design. This is also pearl color. This is called pearl color, multi-surface pearl color. It is little bit shiny and little bit more durable. You can wash, you can dip in water and take out. Nothing will happen to the skin.
Like I have put in the chat box, in Oman, ceramic powder is sold in the name of gypsum. I just inquired few days back also. I went and saw it is the same as the ceramic powder and it is sold in the name of gypsum and it is available in Honda Road. The shop name is Alzam. I have put it in the chat box. The shop name is Alzam in Honda Road. It is available. You can try this in November 18th Street also. There are a lot of ceramic tile shops. You can ask for gypsum powder. It is sold in the name of gypsum powder only.
Gayatri, it is available in any building material shop.
Not in all building materials, sir. Only in some shops it is available because the whole Honda Road I walked, it is available only in Alzam.
No, in the beginning, I used to purchase a lot in small shops.
And that enamel paint, it will be available in any paint shop. This multi-surface painting and the gold dust, it is available in Shahnagar Das in Alquare. Alquare, it is a new shop and you have the best quality over there. Of course, you can try it in Ruby also. But Alquare, you get this multi-surface painting and the gold dust. Beautiful it is. Adray clay and ceramic powder. What is the difference between adray clay and ceramic powder? Shashi
What is the clay name?
What is asking?
Adray clay. air dry clay and
Air
ceramic
dry.
powder.
Okay.
You get
Air
it in Lulu.
air dry clay, I don't know. Ceramic, but ceramic after making dough, it dries very fast, like Fevicol. So in which form she is using this air dry clay, I don't know.
I will tell Shashiji. Can I tell?
Yes, please. I think she's telling about this
No,
air
no.
dry.
No, in Oman, you get one big packet. Air dry clay, you get it as a big packet. It is a sort of ceramic clay only. What Shashiji did the dough, it is a sort of the dough only which you get. But the quality of you making it is very good rather than buying that air dry clay. Air dry clay, it gives cracks also. Because we have worked with children using air dry clay. We have done, it's quite good, but it gives cracks. This clay, if you make it with, because you are going to put a lot of glue, a good quality, it comes out very well. So that air dry clay is a secondary one. This is best.
And before buying any hardware shop, please confirm that should not be plaster of Paris. POP will spoil everything. POP we don't use. You can't use even. Na? You can't make strings. You can't make designs. When we make designs with the help of this ceramic powder, it goes with your cuts and all that. But plaster of Paris will dry very fast, and after drying, it can spoil your design also. And while you will making design, it will be difficult to make the little fine design. So plaster of Paris, don't waste your Fevicol on.
Yeah, very true. And Michael sir, correct me if I'm wrong. Grout is the one which is used between the tiles, right?
That is right.
Huh.
That is
So
right.
that also should not be used, because
Yeah, that is true.
last week I was in Honda Road inquiring all this, seeing everything. Even grout cannot be used. Ceramic powder is equal to gypsum. Gypsum can be used.
Yeah. Grout is different. Yes.
Huh.
It's a white cement.
Correct.
This is right.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I know exactly you have mixed this one gypsum powder with what exactly?
It's
Araldo.
Fevicol. It is white glue,
Fevicol.
ma'am. It is Fevicol. You get it in hardware shop. You can see now Fevicol it is.
It's what it is exactly? This one, it's a glue.
Yes, ma'am. It
It's
is
a
a white
goddess.
glue.
Yeah.
White.
Not
No, not that.
It's
Here
a
it
sort
is
of
called white
industrial
glue.
adhesive.
White glue. How much? How much you have to mix from this? How much this one gypsum powder and how much is this one Fevicol glue?
you
Depending
just
upon what you
start,
want to make.
ma'am. You just start making dough, and you will get try to mix little the both the thing. Take your required gypsum powder and
Okay.
start pouring your Fevicol. Mix and wait, and make it dough. Not very hard, not very watery. It
Okay.
should be
Then you have to make your dough with your hands or with the spoon or something.
hands. This
Hands.
time you can use these disposable gloves and all, but you have to make with your hands, not spoons.
It doesn't stack on your hands.
It will, and it can remove it.
Stacking. It doesn't
Use,
stack in your hands.
use disposable gloves. Actually, I love ceramic, so I don't care.
Can we use Vaseline? Just put Vaseline on your hands and then do.
You
Won't
can
it be more comfortable?
Yes, you can use Vaseline, you can use
Or
any
coconut oil?
any oil. Just like when we cut this jackfruit and all that, we just use a little bit oil and you can also use.
Will it go easily after washable?
Yeah,
After that?
very easily.
Okay.
It is instead of clay, we give those clays, colorful clays for our children to work. Yes, ma'am. Shashiji, Miss Vaishali is showing that glue. Yes, that is the glue. This is what you get in Honda Road. Yes, correct.
Yes. Ma'am, it is very difficult, very different from India, na? So
Yes, yes, it is very different. That's what I'm telling you. Last week, gold with that whole day, I was in
Fevicol
wonder
is
only.
also available. Fevicol is available.
Yeah, you get this in green and red. Red
Yes.
one is little bit of cheaper quality.
Different manufacturers make it differently. Fevicol is available.
see, I'm also using two kind of.
But no, here that green is available. What Miss Vaishali ma'am was showing, that one is available here, correct? So instead of those color clays, we can give this clay for our children to work with, and so that we can make something creative. So this is the main purpose of this learning this activity. So any other doubts?
And, yeah, and can we color this ceramic powder beforehand only, like she's telling, making colorful clays?
You can color, but it will be very dull. It will not look nice at all.
One more question. Now, when you are going to color with different enamel paints, you are doing a background, let us say black. After that, we have to wait for it to dry, when you put the different color.
Yes, actually that answers Miss Vaishali's question also. We can't color beforehand. It has to dry, then only we can color it.
But dusting can be done when it is wet.
Yes, dusting should be done when it is wet.
Should be done when it is wet, but while the another color can be done only when it is dry.
Sir,
Okay.
the difference is that this is the one medium which we make design and start coloring it, and when this is wet we do dusting, but this is very different where that is. For this we make this surface, paste these all designs, and after 5-10 minutes we can start coloring it.
Okay.
Sir's point was very valid and very important. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for this session.
Thank you.
Thank you
Any
very
other
much for
question?
giving necessary information.
Any other questions?
Sachin, one more question. Maybe it looks little silly. Can we color it, the ceramic part, and stick it to the pot or something, whatever surface we require? Is it possible, or we have to stick it first and then coloring? We have to do the coloring?
Ma'am, we have to stick first. See, if you want to make a Vandan var or you want to make something hanging, then you make designs, cut your designs and smoothen the edges and color in your required choice. But if you will try to stick it, this is now very much stiff, just like wooden. So these surfaces, if you are sticking on this plain surface, it's okay. You can go for this. You can stick. But if your surface is round, you can't. So try to make your designs according your surface. बच्चों से if you are going to make children to paste this one, tell them few designs. I just told few designs we make in advance, like these buttons and all. So what we do, we can make them in advance and we can paste them. But if you want to make these flowers and petals in advance, it is not possible. This one all made in advance. This one, but not this one. This one made immediately when the dough is wet and flexible. Very important is flexible. You can give design. Just see the petal. There is gap. It looks very nice when we give them according our choice and according our design. We can give them shape. But for this plant, we can't. So you can make according your surface, according your choice, according your creativity. Everything is possible. This is hanging. Actually, this one I am hanging in a bottle's neck, like this. So this one you can make in advance. All the designs can't make in advance, and all the design no need to stick immediately.
Shashiji.
Hope I am clear. I have cleared your
Yeah,
doubt.
very
Yes,
Thank you.
yes, of course. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any further questions?
As of now, no.
Miss Shashi ji will be
make
coming
it-
back again to teach us tie and dye session also. Tie and dye is again a beautiful artwork. She will be again with us to teach the tie and dye. Now in this, if you have any doubt, you can ask her. Yes, sir. Also, Michael, sir, you have any doubt?
No. As of now, nothing. When we start making, maybe we will get into doubts. Okay.
That is true. And she is available. Shashi ji, I hope they can contact you. With your permission, can I give your number? So I will share her number in the group. If you have any doubt, you can ask her at any time. This video will be uploaded in the YouTube. You can watch again. You can, if you have any doubt, you can go back and watch again also. The YouTube link will be shared by today evening.
Okay, great. Thank you.
This is very smart, very cute.
So thank you all so much. So with
Thank
this,
you, madam.
I
Very nice.
really, yes.
Thank you, Esther. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Shashi ji. Thank you,
Thank you.
Gayatri ji.
Thank
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
so much, Shashi ji, for joining us. Thanks a lot.
you, Gayatri ji, for calling me.
Okay.
With this, we'll end this session for today. And Wednesday, we will be meeting again. If I'm right, I think I will be taking chocolates on Monday. So Monday will be chocolate session. We'll be learning around 6 varieties or 7 varieties of chocolates. So most probably I will be confirming that also by today evening. So
And
with
we'll
this,
come and
We have
collect them.
Oman session, no?
yeah,
Wednesday we have Oman session, no?
yes, sir.
Wednesday?
Wednesday, yes. Wednesday only. Wednesday will be chocolate making.
Okay.
Okay. So with this, we'll end the session today. Thank you so much. Thank you all for joining. And thank you, Sitanshu, sir, for joining from India.
Yes, Sitanshu, sir, nice meeting you. Nice seeing you.
Michael sir is here. Sir, you are on mute. Sitanshu,
Okay.
sir, you are on mute.
Sitanshu sir is on mute.
Hmm.
You are on mute.
Yeah.
Ah.
First of all, thank you, Michael sir, for your kind words. And really, I am sorry for coming late because of network issues. There was no network at that time, so I